ఇండియా కమ్యూనిటీ సెంటర్ ఐసీసీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో దీపావళి ఉత్సవాలు ఘనంగా జరిగాయి. కాలిఫోర్నియాలోని మిల్లిటాస్లో జరిగిన ఈ ఉత్సవాలకు ప్రవాసులు అధిక సంఖ్యలో పాల్గొన్నారు. భారతీయులు కుటుంబ సభ్యులతో కలిసి వచ్చి చిన్న పెద్ద తేడా లేకుండా సందడి చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఆర్కెస్ట్రా, లైవ్ మ్యూజికల్ షో, డ్యాన్సులతో పాటు పలు సాంస్కృతిక కార్యక్రమాలు అలరించాయి. దీపావళి ధమాకాలో పాల్గొనడం ఎంతో ఉల్లాసాన్ని ఇచ్చిందని ప్రవాసులు ఆనందం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతం అవడానికి సహకరించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఐసీసీ సభ్యులు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేశారు.
This is ICC is our family. It's a wonderful family. We are in India, away from India, but still we don't miss our any festival, any program. And see today, the way we are dressed up, it looks like we are celebrating Diwali better than even in India if we would have been in India. And the way we do dance, I mean since I think for last 20 days, we are really practicing, we are doing, we are writing and enjoying each moment. Thanks a lot to ICC and thanks to Raj, thanks to Sapna, and I will say thanks to my dear Rupal. They all are awesome, very sweet, very helpful, very nice. Thanks a lot and thank you to you also.
मैं इंडिया कम्युनिटी सेंटर के बारे में कहना चाहती हूँ कि आज ये जो हमारा जो कोविड के बाद में आज मतलब दिवाली धमाका जो शुरू हुआ है उसमें हम सभी इतने एक्साइटेड हैं कि इसका मतलब मैं आपको कुछ कह नहीं सकती हूँ। और ये जो हमने प्रोग्राम लिया है ये भी दिवाली के रिगार्डिंग है। ये लक्ष्मी जी हैं, मैं नारद मुनि हूँ और ये हमारे हम प्रोग्राम जो करने जा रहे हैं और हमने इतना बढ़िया इसका बनाया है। प्रेम के दीप है खुशियों की बाती, मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती, मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती, आंगन ये लगता है पूजा की थाली, आईसीसी सीनियर की ये देखो आई दिवाली, आई दिवाली। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I'm Shaila Gadakar. I'm member of West Valley Senior Center of ICC, and at the center we do lots of cultural activities, educational activities. We have debate, we have colloquium, we have news ceremony and karaoke and whatnot. Our senior center is for the gents and the ladies, but we have already opened up for the family, and it's been going on like Bollywood dancing and all that. And yesterday itself we had that 1 year ceremony of West Valley Family Center.
I am Raj Desai. I'm the CEO of the India Community Center based here in Silicon Valley, headquartered here in Milpitas. We are a non-political, non-religious, community-based organization, very well supported by our community at large within the Bay Area. 18 years since inception, we have probably touched around 50 to 70,000 people a year in a variety of programs that we host here at ICC, from cultural events to birthdays to weddings to youth programs as well as summer camps. That with the support of the community, we have survived this pandemic and we have continued to see our community remain safe and ready to come back to indoor activities. Hope to see you all back at ICC as we begin to reopen our activities at Milpitas and various other centers. My name is Raj Desai. I'm the CEO of ICC. Thank you, Shakshi TV, for having me on this program.
Hi, my name is Vandana Gandhi. I am the Head of Community Relations and Programs for India Community Center, which is located in Milpitas. And we're here with Sakshi TV. Thank you so much for joining us to celebrate the community's biggest and most festive festival, Diwali. So we are here for Diwali Dhamaka, which has over, I think we're so excited to have close to 300 people. So that definitely shows us that we have hope and we're willing to beat COVID and be here, get our lives back and enjoy what we did before COVID, before we went into isolation. So we're here to wish everybody a very, very happy Diwali.
मेरा नाम ज़ेबा रिजवी है। मैं यहाँ आईसीसी कुपर्टिनो वेस्ट वैली कुपर्टिनो के मेंबर हूँ और आईसीसी में यहाँ मुझे जो कुछ दिया है वो मैं शायद मैं बताना मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है जो मैं वो बता सकूँ, क्योंकि जब मैं यहाँ आई थी तो मैं बहुत डिप्रेस रहती थी, लेकिन जिस दिन से मैंने आईसीसी ज्वाइन किया है तो मुझे फिर से नई ज़िंदगी मिल गई है और इसको मैं ये समझती हूँ कि मैंने आईसीसी का नाम रखा है बैटरी चार्जर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
मेरा नाम कानन श्रीवास्तव है और मैं आईसीसी की 20 साल से भी ऊपर की मेंबर हूँ। आईसीसी को देख रही हूँ तो आईसीसी है बड़ी निराली, लगती है हम सबको प्यारी। आईसीसी बड़ा खास है, हम सबको आईसीसी से बड़ी आस है। आईसीसी हम लोगों को देता मौका कि हम सब एक्टिव होकर के काम करें, अपने दिमाग को तेज करें, अपने शरीर को तैयार करें और स्फूर्ति से आईसीसी में आएं और इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करें, जिससे कि हमारी शारीरिक शक्ति और मन की बुद्धि दोनों जो है वो तीव्र होए। आज देखिए आईसीसी की बात कि हम सब मिल करके आईसीसी में दिवाली मना रहे हैं और दिवाली की सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आईसीसी को लंबी उम्र मिले, ये कभी भी रुके नहीं, टिके नहीं और यूं ही ये चलता रहे जिंदगी भर।
मेरा नाम दिनेश बजाज है, मैं आईसीसी का बोर्ड मेंबर हूँ, बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली मैं आईसीसी पिछले 25 साल से इन्वॉल्व हूँ एंड आई हैव वॉच्ड आईसीसी ग्रो फ्रॉम जस्ट बीइंग सीनियर्स प्रोग्राम टू ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ फॉर एवरीबडी. Our foundation is really our senior people, and today's event, Diwali, demonstrated how active and how knowledgeable and how loving these people are in our organization. They give so much to us, wisdom, but more than that, they are showing how to live life in a full manner. So I get always energized when I see my senior members come here. I have been personally involved with them, and ये मैसेज जो मैं सबको देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप आईसीसी के साथ इन्वॉल्व होंगे तो रिवर्स एजिंग होगी, आप जवान बनेंगे rather than बूढ़ा बनेंगे. This is what ICC does for us. Thank you.
Hi, we are new to Bay Area and this is like amazing feeling over here. I have been in US for about 5-6 years, but this is the first time I'm really experiencing Diwali like I used to experience in India. So I'm going to sing a song on the occasion of Diwali for everybody and for my wife.
वो पहली बार जब हम मिले, हाथों में हाथ जब हम चले, हो गया ये दिल दीवाना, होता है प्यार क्या इसने जाना.
Happy Diwali to everyone.
Hi, my name is Priyanka. So I have been in US for around 3.5 years, and this is for the first time I'm experiencing Diwali in such a beautiful way. And I was really missing India, but I came here and attended the festival and everything. I really liked it. It's lovely.
హలో, నేను ఇక్కడ ఇండియా కమ్యూనిటీ సెంటర్కి వచ్చానండి. ఇక్కడ దివాళీ ధమాకా ఫెస్టివల్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తున్నారు. డిఫరెంట్ కమ్యూనిటీ పీపుల్ అందరు గ్యాదర్ అయ్యేసి ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ రిలీజన్ ఆర్ కాస్ట్ అందరు కలిసి పాండమిక్ తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇట్లాంటి పెద్ద స్కేల్లో సెలబ్రేషన్స్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. సో చాలా కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, గుడ్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ చాలా కలర్ఫుల్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ రుచికా శర్మ కవరింగ్ ద స్టోరీ ఆల్ ద వే ఫ్రమ్ మిల్పిటస్, కాలిఫోర్నియా ఫర్ సాక్షి టీవీ.